Are you embarrassed by strawberry legs, chicken legs, or any other version of these dreaded legs with clogged pores and ingrown hair? Don't worry and just keep watching for the best solutions. Start with a scrub to exfoliate clogged pores. Take some coffee for exfoliation, add cocoa powder to fade away dark spots, and mix it with jojoba oil to moisturize your skin. Scrub in circular motions and rinse off with warm water for smooth, revived skin. Use lightly medicated creams infused with glycolic acid or salicylic acid, which are known to melt away the dirt and dead skin cells that are clogging your pores. You can also use the DermDoc 2% salicylic acid body acne treatment spray 30 to 40 minutes before your shower. With consistent use, you'll have smoother, even-toned legs. Dry brushing is another great way to get rid of clogged up dirt and dead skin cells. Moreover, it helps increase blood circulation and is known to energize the body. Start by scrubbing in gentle circular motions from your ankles, working your way all the way up to your back and neck for bump-free smooth skin. Using body masks are a great way to suck out the dirt that are deeply caught up in your pores. Our pick is a non-drying mask, Body Slush, infused with clarifying glycolic acid and healing Rasool clay. Ice is a great way to cool your skin and is often used on the face, but you can extend that practice to your hands and legs too, especially post hair removal. Freeze some aloe vera gel mixed with tea tree oil to treat any angry bumps and pores that might lead to body acne. Since dry skin can trigger irritation, especially post the scrubs and the masks, it's essential to moisturize. Use a lightweight but deeply moisturizing body lotion to seal in your fresh, smooth skin. We love our very own Fuzz Off, enriched with calming calendula and cooling peppermint and avocado oil. If you want to go all natural, just lather on some rich shea or cocoa butter and enjoy your moisturized smooth skin. We hope you're ready to scrub away the strawberry legs, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.